Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will guide you how to fix a Discord not making a notification sound. So without wasting the time, let's come to the main part of the video. So first solution how to fix this problem is check your device as a silent mode. Make sure your mobile phone or any other device is not on silent mode. For that, you just simply have to press the volume up button, and then you will see a icon like this. If it's on a vibration, you will see icon like this. On silent, you will like this, but you have to remove them. Must show that the icon like this, because this is the icon that your device is not on silent mode. After clicking on it, you can check that your device is not on silent mode. Second solution how to fix this problem is check a notification sound. For that, open the Discord and then navigate to a user setting by tapping on setting icon from the top right corner, and then you have to scroll down, and then you will see a option of notifications. You have to click on it and make sure you have enabled get a notification within a Discord, and after that click on get notification outside of Discord. This will redirect you to the device setting, and it will allow you to get a notification when you are not using a Discord. So next solution to fix this problem is update a Discord app. Sometimes outdated version of the Discord app also cause this problem. For that, just simply go to Play Store and search for a Discord app. After that, select the app. If an update is available, you will see an update button next to the app. Tap on it to update the app to the latest version. Once updated, launch the app again. Next solution to fix this problem is clear caches. Clearing the app caches can also resolve some temporary glitches. For that, just simply go to your device setting, open App Manager or Apps, and then select Discord app from the app list. Then go to Storage and Caches, and then tap on Clear Caches to clear the app caches. If still you are facing the problem, then the next solution how to fix it is restart your device. For that, just simply hold the power button of your mobile phone for 4 to 5 seconds, and then click on this restart button, or you will see a reboot button. You have to click on them to restart your device. If none of the above methods work, then the last solution to fix this problem is uninstall and reinstall the Discord app. For that, again go to Play Store, searching for the app, and then select uninstall. Once uninstalled, reinstall the app by clicking on the install button. So in this way you can fix your problem. So that's all for today, and thank you for watching our video.